YouTube. Troy Stars again. I check in one more time. Hear me on YouTube. Hear me on YouTube. You see, that video here, the reason why I really and truly I do this video, I just want to understand, say, sometimes people are fighting, you know. You see me I say, enough, all of we get that little fight there. You know what I mean? But more you use that video here, more you see how, more you see say, easy for beat the enemy them. You understand? Don't fight fire with fire, man. Just take the fire, take the cook, as I say before, take the burn, because it not scar you. So just go on and build with whatever them doing, whatever them going on with. Because they feel like so we don't know, you know. But anyway, right now, the whole purpose of the video, I'm not straight from the pipe because you don't know, we don't. But here I go on. Now, I go for my PR card. Now, I go across the border. I'm in the States right now. In the company truck. You know, because you don't know me a company driver now. As I say, I have some video for sure, no, so I can't go now and have a stay tuned. Don't know all of my new subscribers, if you don't know all of my old subscribers, if Troy Stars there, you don't know. Back as a company driver, there I do my thing. Go and build. You know, me not overdo it. We just have to know, say, we just work with it, we just work with whatever they want to say. You know what I mean? We just do it because my vision, me see what I go on, me the head of the game. You know what I mean? And things that we fool in about, you don't know, we have it, we know what we are doing, you see me? So here we go on. Make sure you use that video here as a learning process, you see me? Because you know, must be in the same situation, it can be any other situation, but just build, just calm. See what I go on, know what I go on, and keep it to yourself and go on easy. Just know, say, have a route, just know, just work with it. And that's what I say, anytime you make a plan, anytime you do not make sure you have plan B, C, and D. Okay, the enemy, them, they're close. You understand? But anyway, right now, on my way I go to the border, and me have paperwork and everything here, so with me all over the place, you know what I mean? So I'll go there, but I don't know if me can carry the camera up on the inside, but when you see drift car, you don't know me, I told them my dash camera, we drive through and we do what we have to do, and you don't know me come back out, me show them how I go on and things. So I try stars, I check in, so big up on yourself and go and enjoy the rest of the journey. You don't know I try stars. Big up on yourself! Respect and thanks. Me peace. 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 You see me? Don't fight fire with the fire. The moral of the story. Me I do this video just to show them what I go on. Big up on yourself. Try start.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
My God!
Good production.
Watch them a act for your thing. Watch you not clap when you win. Stay wide with your fake smile. Grave them wants to win. Them not happy if you win happy. It's like they put them not happy if you win. Get to you, them not happy if you win happy. It's like them not happy if you win. They don't know my story. They just know my song. They don't know how far I'm coming from. They don't know my story. They just know my song. They don't know how far. No fight. Oh, them a go let me know family. I me say family. Sure. If I want thing, me hate a friend killer.
My God!
A popcorn. No care who I live empire, cause I forever. Big up, loving to my brother, and my father. No Russian, turn up my boy. Not nice, some boy change like the weather. The boy them sell me out.
Bad boys and police. Sting na boy. Whoa, yeah. Police and thief in a shootout.
Of course, I'm say.
Them think me no, them think me no, them think me no, them think me no know them appearance. See through the river, real love them out like woman in a apron. Don't mind me.
My God!
running, running ever since. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know change gonna come. Oh yes, it will.
Any identification?
Yes. Also, I'm doing my my permanent resident today.
Oh, congratulations.
Thanks.
So how long were you stateside here?
It is
What's that?
2 weeks, I guess.
You were down there 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Weapons or firearms with you?
No, sir.
Any pets or anything, sir?
No, sir.
Alright, what I'll get you to do is park over to the right here, out of the way,
Okay.
and then come in the main office here, okay?
Okay.
Thanks.
Yes, YouTube, TriStars again. As I said, we just reach at the wait station, the border crossing. So I have my paperwork and everything. You know, this is the package where passport they come in, the express package. And this is my information I have already figured them. You know what I mean? So I go inside now, so I go on, make you know where I go on, and I come back out. I don't think I can use my phone anymore, I can't have my phone still. But yeah, we link up. TriStars.
Tonight, hey, 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 tonight, hey, hey.
All of my peeps, all of my subscribers, all of my, you know, my connections, just big up on yourself. You don't know, TriStars. Getting paperwork, everything good, you know. You see me? So, we're good. Alright. All of my fine. It's stamped. Alright. Big up on yourself. Big up.
My God!
All pirates, yes, they rob. Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no, oh no. Here I come. All right. Whoa, boy. Whoa, well. got to get myself together. Come along, yeah, and dig my song. Too much wagoning. Do you know what it means to have a revolution?
The only song to be expressed on dedication to the world and its life. We can't turn the pulse and fight. Whether you're black, purple, blue, or white, let's get together and all unite. Oh, you mean?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, hey. When the road is called up yonder. I got tired of seeing my face.
Let's drink to the hard-working people, and let's drink to the lowly of birth.
YouTube, try stars to check in one more time. And hear me say now. In another video here, I mean, you know, me just go collect me. There's a thing we call the SIM card. You know, when I come up for the foreign work program thing, and you get the permanent resident, you can change a card. You change from the 9 number there to the 2 number. So that means when you show the number anywhere you go or whatever, it's a different thing. You know what I mean? People do it different in a sense. You don't know, but that's what it said. But anyway, on my way I got to deal with that little part of thing I'm just explain to you. And you know, so I look across and see one food truck. And the food truck mark Jamaican Lee style. In Halifax, in Medan, in Canada, and I like that style. You see me I'm saying? The brother have a little hold on, I can make a show what really I go on board the place. Hold on there. Hold on there, my peeps. Oh, my peeps. Now, look at this. No, talk to it now, talk to it. You see the man do him thing. Man have a gas stove by the back of this, it's like a school bus. It's like one of the foreign school bus thing there. And the man have a 2 gas stove on the back of the you run at the back there, so I have a little generator, I go right this if you can see it good. You see me I say? The generator go and start. Right now I go buy your food. We don't even know what kind of food. See boss have a customer there already. See that now? So, you know, the man I carry the food all over the place there. You see me I say, we like that. Right now I go buy your food. That me I did right now. Yes, so I go buy your food. We need your food. Welcome on, boss. Well, I say, me have a video this, I make it ideal all over the place, you know. You see me I say, cause you don't know, you know. Eh? Talk to me there, what you say?
Jerk chicken I go right in there, I don't know warm up thing.
What you say, jerk chicken?
Jerk chicken I go right in there, I don't know warm up thing.
You say I don't know warm up thing?
I write a certain neck per board.
See there.
Fresh and nice.
So the boss name? People don't know what go on.
Lee, Jamaica Lee style Kazir.
You say Jamaica Lee style?
Jamaica Lee style Kazir.
You say we'll find a which part?
That's for 130 Main Street, Dartmouth.
130 Main Street, Dartmouth.
You can call me by 902-223-0440.
Alright, my boss, see that now.
And Twitter.
You have Twitter too?
Twitter.
Yeah.
And Facebook.
Yeah. Same thing. So the same name of the writer, sir?
I will need that.
Alright, my boss. So make a pre-walk go on there, sir. And see that, my peeps. Which is right. Alright, my boss. Alright.
Chili over there.
So we have in the menu then.
Jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Curry chicken.
Yeah.
Oxtail.
How are you sitting?
Ackee and saltfish. Steamed cabbage and carrot vegetarian.
Yeah, I know that. Alright, here we go. One John knows that. Let's know one. One a steamed cabbage with something. With curry chicken, jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken and steamed cabbage.
Yeah.
Alright, steamed cabbage about 10 minutes. That's good?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
See that now? Alright, no boss. So, go on there.
You don't find out that somewhere.
You can't find out no about, man.
That's so we chop it, right?
Yeah. Oh, my boss. Go on, do your thing. But I like go on, you know? I make the people them taste what I go on, you know? Yeah, my peeps. See that now? In general, I do him thing, you know? These two gas stove them on the back, you know? And generator they run this up. Where's it?
A hot water that you know, steam if you touch it.
Where's the hot water?
If you wait too long, that burn you know, just watch it.
Whenever everything starts.
Sterilize our thing, you know. So
Yeah.
I don't know, dirty things,
Yeah.
you know. You see that burn you right now, you see
Yeah,
steam?
yeah, water hot.
Yeah,
Chop.
hot, man.
I mean, we're done.
So you can chop it, pan it and see how it look.
Yeah. See that now? Peeps, man, so I go on, you know. See that now? John, Alright, my boss, respect our tongues.
I lock them up right now, see?
Yeah. Yo, I not like the food bad, the food. Yeah, man, go on. Yeah, have a Jamaican taste tonight. I not like a Jamaican food for true. Alright, here we go now. You know, me can't get carried away by the food, but you don't know the food bad. Alright, I reach downtown in a Dartmouth town. Basically, so I go do my what we talk about earlier. See them? I carry everything in this, you know. Carry this now for go need my SIN number. So I get a new SIN number now, you know, official SIN number. You know, we can, you know, make whoever things happen. You know what I mean? SIN number is a big deal. And not like to call it, you get a bank, you get a workplace, everything just change up in the system now. So everything just kind of like different, you know what I mean? So that's how I'm going to do it right now. So thanks for tuning in, you know, I try stars, I make a walk around this, so what the kind of cold still, you don't know where I do it like Mike, right? Alright.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come on over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, put the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
Yes, YouTube, Try Stars is back, you know what I mean? Basically, me get my social security number, new number now. I show you what the old one look like, and the new one, basically, them not give it like card anymore. Make sure I hide some number, because I'm not trust people again, you know. So this is the old one, you know what I mean? So it was a card, you know what I mean? So this was the old one we use. We start with 9, and when you have no one there, we start with 9, you don't know that though. So you done with that, you know. And the new one now, see? The new one, if you can see by top part of it, so social security, and it's in, and whatever. So it's it. From people, you get it, you don't really get it. Like, you know? We don't know, we can't trust people, so I'm not gonna show my number, but you don't know, I don't get the drift for walk one. But anyway, yeah, try stars. As I say, big respect for everybody who tune in and thanks. Yeah, YouTube. Alright, we just come at the bank. Up on top of me go all a line up and thing. You don't know. I kind of freshen up, like it's a different feeling, you know, so I did it thing different, you know, me bush earlier. Although outside still cold. But anyway, me come at the bank, it's Scotia Bank, me know, me come put in my number. Cause you know, so you have to change up all of them, change all of the places where have the whole thing, the number in there. If you come, you know, your financial institution, come change your number, you know, you have to go there, change it with the workplace also, you know, and the service Canada, not service Canada, revenue Canada. You have to change the number also. So all of them steps there, that's what you need to do as soon as you get the card changed, you know. And yeah, that's about it. So right now I'm gonna do I'm gonna go for the medical card. The next thing I need to go for, because the one where them give is a temporary, well not really temporary, the expiry date like 2 years thing, like, you know. So I'll go there and get a new one now. I don't think one of them have expired still, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna check it out and then you get a new one. So that's what we're going with today. Basically just a little run and run, you know. That's about it. You know, try stars. We're just keeping up posted with whatever I take place, whatever I go on, you know. So basically that's what I go on. So respect and thanks for joining. So I try stars, as I say, just gonna need the L card and everything. So I basically cover everything today. I have everything set, everything, you know, alright. You know, I got a bank, you know, I do all of that, you know what I mean? See the new card, the new L card, you know, it expire now, and 2 years again, I get what is expire now in 2022. Expire now in 2022, so, you know, 4 years card, you know. But anyway, the thing organized now and it's set now, you know what I mean? But we do all of this for one reason. Just to make you know, saying, don't watch the fight you get. Just continue with your life. You know what I mean? Use the fight to push you. That's all I'm say. Big respect, thanks for tuning in. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, because you don't know. We only get better and we can't get worse. You know what I mean? And as I say, my life to hear when people comment, my life to read comments, you know, my life to understand what I feel. Also, video when I want to see, when I want me doing all them things. You know what I mean? Video when I like. If you don't see something on video when I say, yo, try, you know, you're not for sure that. Just tell me, man. Put in a comment, man. Trust me, I not feel no way, man. By now, I'm supposed to know nothing really trouble me. But me listen, you know what I mean? If there is something, you know, me I shoot something and me I show too much road, me I talk too much, you know what I mean? So anything, leave it in the comment, you know, me read it, me look into it. They don't know, I'm showing already on the rest of the video them. Make sure the reasons when I give me make sense. When me look into it, it makes sense, you know what I mean? But just tell me, come on to see it, because me I do this for only, you know, I just do this to watch myself, you know? I mean, I do what I do, so me I see what I go on. So me I do this and I show no one go on, but what if you don't want to see that? You don't tell me what I want to see. But you just know say, that world is a chucking world, you know what I mean? Me do little things outside of chucking, you know, me go in the kitchen, we cook, we go up on the road, we go in the mall, we do them little thing there, outside of chucking, you know, just don't make it be just chucking straight, chucking only. But trucking are the main focus, if you don't understand what I mean. You know what I mean? Trucking are the main focus. My new truck of them, my old truck of them, and also my new owner operators, as in, I don't know what I want. I don't have to explain all of that. I don't know what I want. Big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in and respect, you know what I mean? I love how subscribers them are coming new, so hey, subscribers them make me think I go on, you know, yo, big up on yourself for that, respect, try stars feel good, but not like. Big up and thanks again, thanks. I mean, big respect means thanks to you, really and truly, thanks. You know what I mean?
For more videos like this, please subscribe.